Welcome back, guys. So today we're at Thorpe Park. It's overcast, quite cold, but come with us while we have some fun. What are you looking forward to the most?
Stealth. Love stealth.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
And I like Saw. So come with us and we'll show you around Thorpe Park.
See you in a bit.
First ride of today is Saw. It's only a 10-minute queue. We did go to Hyperia first, which is a 35-minute wait for that, so we bought Saw first.
Saw first, wanted to get straight onto a roller coaster. Didn't want to do all the waiting.
Come with us, guys.
See you in a bit.
Saw, awesome ride, very fast, but it's a bit rough on the neck, I think.
Yeah.
If you've got mobility issues or something, it's probably not for you. My leg's a bit sore. What did you think, babe?
I loved it. It was great. I love the drops. I love that it goes in circles. Great ride.
On to the next one.
Off we go.
Inferno. It's only a 5-minute queuing time. We've been pretty much everywhere else in the park.
Yeah.
We're not having a very good day, are we?
We're not having a very good day, but this looks promising.
We were just saying in the queue for Nemesis, we're disappointed with Thorpe Park. What do you think so far, mate?
It's not been great. Everything seems to be running on limited capacity, and it's a Monday off peak time, so I don't see what the problem is.
So it's either limited capacity or quite a few rides are closed. So we've been here an hour so far, and this is the second ride we've managed to get on.
Yeah.
All the other queue times are ridiculous.
Yeah.
There's literally like 4 main coasters.
Yeah, it's just not great at the moment. Hopefully Nemesis will pick it up and it will get better during the day, but at the moment not great.
We'll see.
Place your head back.
Got off Nemesis. What did you think, babe?
Oh my god, it was great. I love it. I loved it so much.
It was a good ride.
Yeah.
I'd say that Nemesis at Old Towers is better.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But
this was just as good.
considering we've only got on our second ride, we've been here over an hour now. But let's go to the next one.
See you in a bit.
So Stealth is actually open, so we're about to jump on that. Last time we came was last year.
Yeah, this time last year.
It wasn't open.
Closed.
And like I say, we've been here for an hour and we've only just seen them go up, so come with us. We just crossed Stealth. What do you think, babe?
Oh, it was brilliant. My favourite one so far.
Yeah,
That was
absolutely
perfect.
outstanding, that is.
Yeah, great.
So
No
quick,
complaints.
it's so fast. But it's about to go now. Amazing.
Great ride.
We're at Detonator, but I'm going on my own, aren't I, babe?
You are. I don't like these ones that drop like this. Nope.
Okay, well, I'm on my own then.
Sorry, my love.
That's alright.
These are one of the few rides I can't do. I just don't like how it drops. But we'll see. We'll film Ryan and see his reaction.
Y'all ready for a bigger time? I sure am. Keep them heads back, hold tight, embrace yourselves. We're thrilled to have you here for the grand debut of our biggest, most fabulous 4th of July fireworks. We call it Red, White, and Blue. Now, let's go that day.
How was it?
Good.
Good.
Not as high as you think. Yeah, that was good, that. I thought I was going to be on my own at one point because I was literally the last one in the queue and I went there. And then a load of people turned up.
Oh, good. I'm glad
It's good. Yeah, good. Let's try and get out of the rain now.
Yeah, let's go find somewhere. Stay safe. Stay dry. We'll see you guys up in a bit.
Bye. Try and get out of the rain. We've come to the Walking Dead ride.
Which I'm so excited about.
Mostly indoors and has some live action with it. Come with us and we'll let you know afterwards. Just got off the Walking Dead ride. It's indoors and it was raining at the time, so that's a bonus. It's a bit like Space Mountain, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
This is just round and round. But it's quite cool, the queuing part and leading up to it.
It has a good storyline.
Yeah, if you like The Walking Dead, you'll like the ride. But it's not massive thrill seekers, there's no loops or anything like that. But it's
A
alright.
bit scary at times, but it was great. I loved it.
Yeah.
I'm a Walking Dead fan, so I loved it.
Grabbing older me.
I did.
My arm
I
was
did. I
going
got
white.
scared a couple of times. Not gonna lie.
We're going to try Hyperion now.
Yeah, we're going to have a little walk over.
I was 35 minutes when we first got here. It's, what, 20 minutes?
I think it's 25 or 20 minutes now at the moment.
So I'm going to head over that way. Come with us.
See you in a bit.
So we walked over to Hyperia.
And unfortunately you can see it's closed, which is
closed.
Really annoying because this is one of the best rides here.
Yeah, it's the newest as well.
Sorry, we're a little bit disappointed.
But there's still people in the queue. There's also been a carriage sat there since we got here a few minutes ago. So I did ask one of the staff, was it a technical fault or is it because it's raining? She said she doesn't know.
So we don't even know if it's going to be reopened, if there's any point us waiting. So we're just going to have a look to see the queue times after the other rides and see what takes us next.
But Thorpe Park is a tight-knit theme park, so it's not too far to walk, but it's annoying going from one side to the other. That's closed or that's long queues.
Yeah, it's not been great so far.
But we've still got a while yet. Hopefully it picks up.
Hopefully it'll pick up, fingers crossed.
Leave it with us and we'll see what will go on next. Luckily, just a stone throw from Hyperia is Colossus. So we're going to try a look at that. It says 5 minutes.
Yeah, but hopefully we're going to get on there. I want to get on a roller coaster. I just want to get the adrenaline pumping.
So Colossus at Thorpe Park has
10 inverted loops.
10 inverted loops. So I'm going to try this one.
See how it goes.
We're not having a very good day so far.
No, we're not.
And it doesn't help that it's raining. We did check the weather this morning. What did it say?
They said it was going to be overcast but no rain.
No, it's raining.
Which was annoying.
All bags must be left in the storage box provided on the far side of the platform.
Colossus, what did you think of that one, babe?
Oh, I thoroughly enjoyed it.
It's a bit rough, but
It was a bit rough in places. If you have lots of piercings in your ears, not great for you, but it was great.
it's tight getting it out of the seats as well. It's literally not enough room. Once the headrest, the armrest.
You were very
straight
safe
through.
and secure in it though.
Yeah, very safe. But, on to the next one.
See you in a bit.
Morning by the sound of a huge explosion, and when I looked out of my window to see what was going on, I could see the flames coming from over the road by Thorpe. And similarly,
So we've just come to Swarm. It's gone from 10 to 15 minutes. Everywhere else seems to be closing down.
Yeah,
For the weather.
so I don't mind waiting. As long as it's still going, I'm happy to wait.
We're just going to go for it this time.
Absolutely, yeah.
but it is a little fuzzy. However, he still believes that the fire was lighting up the sky. And here's another picture, I believe, sent to us from Annie Lee Lywood, which shows, well, we're not exactly sure what that shows, but apparently it was also taken this morning about 10 minutes after she was woken by this huge explosion. Now, we do know, we can tell you that the emergency services are returning to the site and making their best efforts to contain any fires.
it. There is no escaping the swarm. Sit back, brace yourself, and pray.
Hi guys, so we just came off Swarm and it was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it's brilliant. It's probably the most comfortable ride.
It's the most comfortable, it's smooth, it's just great. I can't, there's no fault with it.
It's
at all.
awesome. And I think we picked it at the right time as
Yeah.
well. It went from 50 odd minutes earlier to 15. It's great. On to the next one.
See ya.
So we've come back to Hyperia. It's a 30-minute wait. We're just going to go for it now.
Yeah, just thought why not, we're just going to go for it, absolutely.
I'm sick of coming backwards and forward. So we're just going to do it. Come on, us.
I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. They say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned out. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of place from trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist.
We've been queuing for about 40 minutes so far. It's getting a bit boring, isn't it, babe?
It really is.
No struggle. No ride's worth queuing for this long. But we're here now, so.
We might as well see it till the end, but this is...
It doesn't help, they're only running one car at a time. So, and obviously with fast track riders, it's taken a while.
Yeah, it's taking its sweet time.
Almost 70 minutes,
Yeah,
just about to go on it.
just about to get on, I'm so excited.
We'll have 3 or 4 minutes. We'll let you know afterwards
Yeah.
how it went.
Yeah, oh, finally.
So we just came off Hyperia. It's awesome. But we were both glad to get a seat after.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah, it's comfortable, but after
It's so
70 minutes on
comfortable.
our feet in the queue,
Yeah.
just having a seat, that was the best thing about it when we first got on.
Yeah.
But we literally looked like the last riders for now.
Yeah, nobody was coming on after us.
Looks like they're sending it around empty just to test it.
Yeah.
So it may be closing again, but yeah, it's brilliant. But 70 minutes is a long way,
Yeah.
a long time to wait.
Yeah. I'm glad we did it.
Yeah.
Yeah. it's
But
good.
they're just sending it empty now. We're going to go get a refreshment break because we need it after that. Sit
Absolutely,
somewhere
yeah.
warm, get a drink.
Yeah.
Come with us, see you in a bit.
Yeah.
So we were the last ones on Hyperia
Just closed it.
after 70 minutes of waiting. We were the last, literally the last ones
We were the
on.
last ones on.
They closed it. You'd be fuming if you queued for 70 minutes. Our backs are hurting, our legs are hurting. It's literally getting on the ride. We both said, "Oh, it's nice to get a seat."
And the seats on that is so comfortable as
very
well.
comfortable.
Yeah.
But, yeah, they've closed it. Nemesis is closed as well. That's just behind us. So guys, we're just in the car about to leave Thorpe Park. What did you think, babe? Highs and lows?
The lows was definitely the weather and the impact on most of the rides. The highs, absolutely loved Swarm. Stealth was great. Nemesis, my top 3.
Yeah, I agree. Lows were definitely the weather. A lot of rides closed, some didn't reopen. We managed to get on most of the good ones. Highs, definitely Swarm, Stealth, Hyperia.
Hyperia was good.
Awesome. Especially after a 70-minute queuing time, it was just, we were happy to get a seat.
Yeah.
That was the main thing.
Yeah.
And it did close just after we got off. They tested it a few times, and it seems like they're actually running rides again now. So I'm happy for all the people that were stuck in the queue. It'd be heartbreaking if you wait for that long and the ride closes just before you get on it. So hopefully everyone that was waiting managed to get on it. The food's actually cheaper than Alton Towers. The car parking's easier, I'd say.
It's cheaper as well.
The car parking's cheaper. The theme park entry's cheaper. You literally come out of the theme park, the car park's right there. Whereas Alton Towers is spread out.
It's a trek.
Everything at Alton Towers is so spread out.
Yeah.
I don't understand why. But yeah, thanks for coming with us, guys. And till next time, remember to like, follow,
And subscribe.
Thank you, guys.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.